Hello everybody. So I'm just going to kind of show this little guy off. This is a 1967 POS, pile of sheet metal. There's nothing left of this car. If you look, it's really, really rough. The underpinnings, this 67 Ranchero is off the Falcon and Fairlane platform. It's a unibody. So we've taken the liberty so far. We've gotten the interior out, things we're going to use on that guy there. We'll pull the column. There's a lot more we need, but we kept it mobile for now. So today, what we're setting up to do is we're going to pull this 351C. It's complementary top-loading transmission. We're going to gut this thing like a fish. Why are we doing that, you ask? Well, let me go over this. This is a true survivor. It's got one splash of paint on it. It wasn't done terribly well, but it was done a long time ago. So it literally might have an Earl Scheib paint job. This thing is really pretty straight and incredibly solid. There's no real rot on this automobile. This is going to legitimately be a daily. It's going to park in the fella's driveway. This is going to be his truck. So we're going to nylon bristle. We're going to clean up the box, and then we're going to actually do a bed liner, epoxy and bed liner. We're going to do just a quick, simple, no frills paint job on it. We'll remove trim. We'll do it right, but it's a no frills paint job. We're gonna pull the buckets, pull the bench seat, put buckets, put that console that we rebuilt. So this is kind of the beginning of our journey for Mersch, a 1967 Ranchero. Don't mind this. This is parts as we're trying to get the Chevelle ready for assembly. We had some hiccups the last couple weeks with people being sick and everything, but we're getting there. Now this little guy, as we're looking, the 289, she's gonna stay. Nice solid engine. It pops right over. Manual brakes, front drum, rear drum. Well, if we look here, we got power brakes, rear drum, front disc. We're taking this hardware from this car also. Taking that transmission from that car. And yeah, so the madness begins. Our first steps are going to be to get the hood off this, get it out of the shop. The hood's not in great shape either. As you can see, it's been reinforced from where someone buckled it at some point. But it had all the things that we needed within the customer's price point. So he went and brokered the deal, and we dragged it back here. My favorite front end of all time, so we're not even going to get into that. So it's kind of where we're at, the tale of two Rancheros. One will go away for scrap. One will be driven daily by the owner. He's going to sell his modern pickup truck, and he's like, I'm not hauling big stuff anymore. This will do just fine for me. So this is for lack of better explanation, kind of a low-dough build that we're going to put together for this customer, and he's going to daily this thing. So yeah, kind of excited for that. V and Caleb are working on getting, we got to clear the area out because we need Garrett, our gantry crane. We need to move these out of the way. These are parts that need work. That needs a lot of fabrication. That's for the Cougar. So we'll get to that. We're just going to get this moved out of the way so it's not hanging out here looking ugly. And then these are pretty much ready for next steps. Yeah. So this is the top side of the shop. So we'll do like mechanical, assembly, finish work. All right. Well, catch us later down the road on our 67 Ranchero adventure.